And here in northern Nevada today, we don't see any hills or mountains behind us here because it's covered with smoke. It's covered with smoke due to the fact that California does not know how to manage their forests, unfortunately. Instead of governor saying every man on the West Coast with a pickup truck and a chainsaw, come and take the dead stuff out of our forest for free, they won't even let you cut it. They won't let you touch it. It just sits there. It's tinder. It's kindling. God. And now we gotta breathe it in. Thanks a lot.